Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be working on the Vectra C behind us and we're going to be changing the battery. And just to show you how easy it is to change a battery on one of these, I'm not going to be doing it. Deacon is. So, first thing we're going to do is the battery's under there, so lift that cover up. There we go. And as you can see, there's two 10mm nuts there, and that's what holds the battery terminals on. You've got live and earth. You make sure that you never touch them the wrong way around. And then you've got a little clamp down there, which is a 13mm.
So that's live and that's it?
Yeah. What I usually do is I unclamp the battery first, usually, or I just loosen the...
Okay.
But actually saying that, it's better to loosen them off just so it can't go anywhere. Put that one on there, make sure it's going lefty-loosey, remember?
What? How do I get it on there?
That's it, like that.
Lefty like that?
No, that's right, that is righty-tighty. You do lefty-loosey, anti-clockwise. That's it. Let's do that a few times. There you go. That's what you need, because you see it's loose now. Do the same with that one. Make sure you don't drop these, so don't touch. Now that one should be loose as well. Yeah, so what we do then is we pull those ones off.
What, these?
Yeah. What you have to do is wiggle them like that. That's it.
And then do it again with this one.
Yeah, that's it.
And then boom.
Then we're going to change over. We're going to use the extension bar with a 13mm socket. And you have to, you see that grey square down there?
Oh, jeez.
That's it.
So I loosen it?
Yeah, just keep going. It should be on the same bit, same setting. What you want to do is hold. When you're using a ratchet like that though, dude, what you want to do is hold that piece like that so it doesn't go anywhere, and then like that, just so you don't possibly round the bolt off then, see?
What?
Oh yeah, it's all gone so loose. Now you can just go like that if you want to, or you could take a ratchet off if you want to, but
there you go.
Yeah, I don't think that's all the way out yet.
Okay.
Go. No, it's still not. Just
what?
Check that just in case it's just spinning and spinning. Oh no, it's coming out further, so you've got to.
Quite a bit of thread on that one.
Yeah, and then you have to pop this one out because otherwise, when you lift the battery, you could lose it. So I usually put it up there. Right, I'll lift the battery out because it's a really heavy one. But yeah, I'm going to change this one out. And when you're taking it off, I forgot to tell you as well. Always do the negative first and the positive second when you take it off. And then when you put it back in, it's the opposite way around. But these are quite heavy, so I'll do the lifting. What you do?
That was actually a basket to put it in.
A bigger battery. This is the right one for the car. The original one that was on there was one out of my Audi 46, which I bought years ago, which was okay, but it wasn't big enough for this big diesel engine to swing it over very quick, so it still occasionally struggling to start. So this one is a second-hand one I bought off of a friend. It came out of a pretty...
Ford? Is that Dark's Ford?
It came out of a fairly new Ford.
Is that
Dark's in a wreck? No, it's somebody else's. Yeah, what you want to do?
Sparky.
Put this one on first. A little spark like that's okay. What you want to do is lift that up.
Put it up.
Yeah.
Let me put it on. Let me put it on.
Hang on a sec. There you go. Yeah, always what you can, and then always put that one on second. It might have a little tiny spark, but it's nothing to worry about. You might have to lift the back up a little bit. That's it.
And then boosh.
And then if it's still looking like it's not down quite far enough, we can do. This isn't a hammer, but you can just give it a little tap. Both sides like that. Yeah, a little tap like that.
And then the other side?
Yeah, do the same with that one. Just make sure it's on there nice. And then what you want to do?
Just grab this.
Grab the small
Where's
socket.
The small one?
Up here. There you go.
Can I put it on?
Yeah, you have to make sure it's doing righty-tighty now. So flick that switch on the back of the spanner.
What the?
Yeah, flick that. That's it, and that should be righty-tighty now.
Okay, gonna have to remove that cover.
Yeah,
So
I would do the positive first. Always when you're putting stuff in, always do the positive first. It doesn't matter really, to be perfectly honest. Yeah, again it's loose, so if it's loose, yeah, that's it. Hold on to it with one hand, and then when it gets
learning already.
Yeah, that's it. That's exactly what you have to do. You don't have to go silly tight, but just do it so it's nice and fairly tight, and then do the same with that one.
My stage next mechanic.
Yep. And this cover came with the original battery off the Vectra that I took off because the original battery every morning was getting harder and harder to start it.
Boom, that's how you do it.
And you still need to do this, and what you do with this one is this one goes down the side.
Now I need the long one.
Yeah.
How do you take it off?
You push it back a bit.
Oh no, that one is just...
Oh, that one's not got one like that, is it? Just
Yeah.
pull one.
I'll put the other one on that. And
Let me
then...
just double check.
Can I do it?
Yeah, let me just double check I got it in the hole though. I don't think I... Yeah, I have, I think. There you go. There you are. I'll just go back and check on the tightness. Yeah, that's pretty good. And also the other way you can tell it's done is the battery shouldn't move, but it is. Why is that moving?
Are you a better mechanic than a 10-year-old?
No.
No, because the one thing that messed up on here, I messed up.
Yeah.
So it's because you can't see much with this jacket over the battery, but I thought I'd put it over there because that's what Vauxhall wanted to do.
Yeah.
He's not
I should have just
better than a 10-year-old.
instead.
You don't need any help right now. Do you need any help right now?
There we are. You have to make sure that first side is in properly, otherwise the clamp doesn't clamp it down tidy.
Oh, there we are.
And then my turn.
See, we put these issues into the videos for you guys, just in case it happens to you.
Yeah, I did it on purpose, honestly.
Yep.
No, you did not. No, he did not. No, you did not.
It's all a facade, so we can teach you how to do it properly.
Yeah, exactly.
You did not do that on purpose.
Learn by our mistakes.
Yeah, which
Yeah,
we
you did
put
not
in.
do that on purpose.
We definitely
No, you
do.
did not do it on purpose.
We will cut this bit and put a disclaimer.
But you've got the ratchet backwards. Are you doing that bit on purpose?
Nope.
He's honest.
And you're not being honest right now because you didn't do that on purpose, did
I
you?
don't know what you mean.
Lying.
This will be the last time the Deacon is on a video.
Don't listen to my father. If this is the last time I'm on a video, these two guys are stupid.
And if this doesn't start, then I know that this battery's kaput. I've wasted my money, and I'm going to have to put the old battery back on, and it'll be the same again.
Yep.
Exactly.
Right. And these little poppers on the Vauxhall, because this is a standard Vauxhall piece.
So do they do anything for the battery? Do they?
Well, they actually.
Is it a protection thing, or is it?
I think it can't hurt, because I mean, from what I know about battery, yeah, sorry, you're in the way a little bit. There. From what I know about battery, here, what you want to do is move it like that, pop it, same with that one. But from what I know about battery thingies, like frost and things like that is bad for batteries.
Yeah.
So you find a lot of cars started coming with these jackets over the battery, and the only thing I can think of is it's even though it's got the cover over the top, it'll be another secondary thing that helps keep the frost off the battery.
Yep.
So I think it's just to extend.
So it is a thermal thing then.
Yeah, I think it's to extend. I believe it's to extend the life of the battery, because it's like the BMWs.
Plus, it must protect it from things getting in the engine bay and everything as well.
Yeah.
We are done.
I know that things like the Mercedes and BMWs that have the batteries in the boot, and Range Rovers, things like that. I have seen their batteries lasting like 10 years, and that's because I think, again, it's protected from the frost. It's in the car permanently. It's never under the bonnet exposed to the cold. But these ones, even though they're under the bonnet, which makes them a lot easier to work on, it means that they're still, even though they're in a better place that way, they're still exposed to the cold a little bit. But
There we are. Success.
and it might not sound like it, but that's a pretty good start for this car.
It starts!
Well done, Deke.
Hooray! That's how easy it is to fix a battery.
Yeah, so just do it like that, without the mess up bit.